In this short video, I'll guide you step by step on how to unsubscribe from unwanted emails in Gmail, even if you have hundreds of subscriptions filling your inbox. I watched several creators like Crown Geek, Mike Mancini, and Think Tutorial explain how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail, and while they offered good tips, I found they missed a few key steps. So, whether you're looking to unsubscribe from Gmail emails in bulk or just need a quick way to clean up your inbox, this video will show you the easiest and most effective ways. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added a useful resource there for you too. Now, let's get started with how to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. Before we get into unsubscribing in bulk, let's see how to unsubscribe from individual emails using the Gmail app on mobile. To begin, open the Gmail app on your Android or iOS phone or tablet. Then open the email you want to unsubscribe from. Next to the sender's name, tap Unsubscribe. In the pop-up, you'll have options to unsubscribe, which will unsubscribe you directly from the email list. If you don't see this option at the top, scroll to the bottom and look for it. In most cases, it's very tiny, so you may have to look closely or expand the page. In some cases, you'll see something that says, to unsubscribe from these emails, click here. That is the go-to website option, which redirects you to the sender's website to manage your subscriptions. You can also manage your various email subscription lists. Here's how. Open the Gmail app. Tap the 3 lines menu at the top. Select Manage Subscriptions. From here, you can find the various senders. On the right, next to each sender, tap the unsubscribe icon and confirm it again. Go through all the senders and unsubscribe from those you wish to. Note that this feature is still rolling out as of April 2025, so update your app if you don't see it yet. Now, let's see how to unsubscribe emails from Gmail in bulk. Let's start with how to unsubscribe from Gmail emails on the desktop. To begin, open your Gmail account on your computer and in the search bar, type in unsubscribe and hit enter. This will bring up every email with an unsubscribe link. These are usually emails from subscriptions or mailing lists. Click the checkbox to select all the emails, which is this box here. Before proceeding, quickly review the list and deselect any senders you still want to receive emails from. Now it's time to unsubscribe from these emails in bulk so these emails are automatically routed away from your inbox going forward. Next, we'll create a filter for future subscriptions. Here's how. Go to Settings from this gear icon here. Select See All Settings, then click the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab at the top row, and finally click Create a new filter. In the filter settings, go to the Includes the Words field and type unsubscribe, then click Create Filter. From the options that appear, check the Skip the Inbox option. Also check the option to apply the label, then from the drop-down next to that, select New Label and enter subscriptions in the pop-up, then click Create. This way, they won't clutter your main inbox anymore. Finally, click the blue Create button. With this, future emails from these subscriptions will automatically be archived and labeled as subscriptions, keeping your main inbox clean and organized. Before we continue to how to unsubscribe from Gmail in bulk using mobile phones, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue. To unsubscribe emails in bulk on mobile using a smartphone, you'll need to access the desktop version of Gmail via your phone browser. This will unlock more powerful filtering options on your mobile, which makes it much easier to unsubscribe. To do this on the Microsoft Edge mobile browser, open Edge and visit gmail.com. Tap the 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Toggle the desktop site on. The Gmail site will reload in desktop view. To do this with other browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Samsung browser, click the link here. Once you've accessed the desktop version, follow the same steps to filter emails with unsubscribe and organize them into folders, as shown in the earlier steps. Now that you've set up filters and unsubscribed from unwanted emails, you can enjoy a cleaner, more organized Gmail inbox. By setting up this system, you'll never have to manually unsubscribe again. To explore more Gmail video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.